So this hour we will touch many things. Today is Mazda Kano's court case. Okay, and the court is still going on as we speak. And today is birthday of PM, my Simon Ekba. Happy birthday to you. And please, if you join us when we are going to put the number, you can also wish him happy birthday as well. While we are waiting for the outcome of the court case, we'll be touching other things, of course, in this broadcast. So just bear with us as we move forward on this one. Okay, very, very important that we do so. I'm trying my best to set up everything proper. But before then, let us hear from Very Dark Man what he has to say.
Very Papa Ono Bayelsa Timaya tweeted this a day ago. He said, please, the government should do something. They are destroying farms in Bayelsa. Abuki, take your cows inside and feed them. This is so sad. Now, this goes beyond the tweets. Now, I'll make you understand this tweet. Yesterday, this is a video from Benue State yesterday. Now, this is a video of people, women, children, men running from their farmlands because of the attack of Fulani herdsmen in their farm in Benue State yesterday. Same yesterday, some people came out to protest in Ondo State about the same issue, Fulani herdsmen. Look, take a look at this.
Okay, so let us wait for the adverts. Okay, for the advert. This is from Very Dark Man. Fulani doing what they know how to do best in different parts of Nigeria. Let's continue because I don't want to waste much time on that.
Yes, and they brought the fifth person in. That was a few days ago. And then I think he said yesterday they brought in another 4 people. Now, where do they want them to live? And they say they have security in Ondo State. Now, while this is happening, right? If you remember, some women in Enugu State came out to protest in large numbers that Fulani herdsmen are not letting them go to their farm anymore. That's they buy them. After they buy them, they buy the men and they do forceful entries on the women. And sometimes they even carry their stick and put it in the private areas of their young girls. That being said, I also posted a video of a boy that was spying in the farm. He's the only woman that was spying in the farm when he went to help his mother in the farm. Do you understand? So all these things happening. One is happening, same thing is happening in Bayelsa. Timaya tweeted. Benue State is happening. Ondo are currently protesting about it. Enugu protested about it. Now, let me show you a video of how everything happens.
What I get it. Komi lokaci wodi wani me don to jida har kaji din cuku duriyar dumin na wada ista testi wallahi Allah durena to ma ayo gesa karo ka andi komi ya laika becce mai ka dole nyaaya Allah dan tararar na gaske na bakin boda no wallahi zap boda nan dan sese kawai dan jakka goro ko do andi habe bento nano wallahi don to gida do balejum Allah hokkudi kaya kawai harkaji di wallahi Allah to na wada sarki ta di sese hunde den de watta ko abas do fanan dadi kawai yo ko be sukki kenya do to kudu mi nyami mabbe du wodi bo be gaddi am mi doggi ha mi nani to kudu wela sabo
You see the way they were scattering people's cassava farm. Cassava is a cash crop. See the way they scatter cassava farm. Do you know how much that cassava will generate for people to just enter the farm scattering? See the other video of them inside a corn farm, scattering the corn farm. Now, in one of the video, I overheard one of them saying that they've paid the leaders of the community, and that's why they are doing that. So if they've paid, they can take their cows anywhere. Do you understand? Government needs to look for a better ground to settle this thing. This Fulani herdsmen issue have claimed the life of a lot of people. It have claimed the lives of a lot of innocent people. You don't give us what to eat, and we decide to look for what to eat. We cannot even eat it. We cannot even eat it. The farms are no longer safe. Buhari kept on referring us to agriculture, but in his regime, a lot of herdsmen issues were there. Especially the one in Benue State. The lives of the people claimed in Benue State as a result of this fight between Fulani herdsmen and farmers. It's beginning to spread across Nigeria. What is the president doing about it? What is the government doing about it? What is the government doing about it? People are dying. People are dying in different states. Timaya is tweeting. For Timaya to tweet, just know that it has gotten up to this point. Timaya is tweeting in Bayelsa, and he heard what that guy said in Ondo, that these people have guns. They don't have guns. How do they get guns? They don't have guns. People in Jos are still complaining about this issue. People in Jos are still complaining. 5 states. Bayelsa, Benue, Ondo, Enugu, Jos. 5 states in Nigeria are complaining. Guess what? Even in my state, Edo State, they still have an issue going on. Fulani herdsmen. Even in my state, Edo State, what are the government going to do about it? What? This issue is becoming too much. Me, all I can say is, before the government comes, make una join hands together and una protect una place. Because now this government be there. Before they come, they put their minds in irrelevant things. Things that don't deserve their attention, that's why they put their attention. If you go protest, just do normal, okay, peaceful protest, or pack soldiers, pack police. You talk something online, police don't track you, pick you up. You watch videos of soldiers, see the way soldiers march, they enter AEDC. They march, enter inside AEDC, NEPA, no man just call her NEPA. They march, enter inside NEPA. These people, because of lights, carry gun, they arm themselves. That was embarrassing. That was really embarrassing. Nigerian army. That was embarrassing. At the shame, I did watch the video with the level when I hold now. I hold the soldiers at high esteem. With the level we carry now. Say, now wawa on herself. That's wawa now. Now monkey on herself. Monkey on herself. Now for civilian body, I guess I will come. Fulani herdsmen issues going around. So please, Nigerian government, please do something about it. Please. The economy is too harsh on us. Please. Thank you very much. Please.
That is from Very Dark Man. And while I spend time to flash it back, it's not as if we have not discussed it here on this platform. We have done that many times. But before I go in details about what we are going to do, what we are going to discuss at this hour, please let me encourage you to like the video. Click on like button so that others will get to watch us. We don't stream this, at this hour. Normally we don't stream at this hour. But we are here because last night I was unable to come back like I promised. So this morning, this afternoon, even in your time zone, we are live. And the only way you can help us is by clicking on the like button. That will get a long way to let other people that we are streaming at this point. I have seen many comments. Let me greet you and our brother. Okay, Ezike, you are the first to make comment here. He said, then go still talk, say, nah, the Tonga Sorabese. That's number one. And Benjamin is here. Benjamin said, good morning from here. Mazekai report, good morning to you, my brother. Nice to have you this hour. Okay, as I said, Biafran Unite, Refugees, and Adado Rama team together to fight USB. The form party, the thing, the form party, we want to say, they have run out of ideas. We are winning. Thank you for that comment. And you said again, more numbers, and we are still counting. God bless United States of Biafra and Dr. Ngos Rabese and our brother here, Armstrong. Nice to read from you. Nice to see you, my dear. Of course, it should be early hour in your time. You wake up so early, isn't it? Good morning to you. Ozoma is here. Good morning. Ozoma, good morning to you. My brother, God bless you for always saying the truth. I appreciate you for recognizing that. Greeting from Israel. That is our own Olivia. Oliver, yeah, Oliver Hillary. I think are you the one that message the contact me on WhatsApp, or are you different from the person? Nice to read from you. Good morning to you all. And we have, of course, we have people from the other planets, and of course, we are representing Otubo, Richard, Otubo, Otubo, Richard, Chukwado. It's a big fool, fake man with a fake woman. What do you mean by that? Big fool, fake man with a fake woman. I don't understand. I hope you know what you're saying. But I would like to know before I read it on you. I want to know who you are calling fool. And can you just make your comment? The comment is not out because Whitey actually sees it. I think maybe Armstrong may have access to read it. I don't know if Whitey will allow him to do, but I'm seeing his comment from here. But let your comment be man enough. Put your comment directly to the place you want it to land, so that the reply will not be, flying. You will not be here and there. Just go straight to the point and let us hear from you. Okay, let's hear from you. Very, very important that you do so. I love it when people are man enough. Just be man enough to say what you want to say. Don't hide. It doesn't make sense to me. Of course, we have another person, our construction. He say, my brother, good morning. God bless you, sir. God bless you too, and nice to have you. Some of us are aware of what you are going through, isn't it? But some people are still playing, this kind of dirty game, trying to hide when people can see you, why people can see you and feel what you are saying. Please, let us go straight to the point. The Kai report and that's from Benjamin Ugo. I see you there, my brother. So there's this video that I watched it. I was like, and somebody also made a comment about it on the comment section yesterday, and that's not funny. I see some people that's a threat, or it's not a threat. It's a kind of warning that COS should not travel anyhow, and that somebody have actually paid money, or somebody have vowed to make sure that that she will be arrested. Okay, I don't know if you have seen that video. Even one of our sister, Nikki had that video on her platform. Maybe I'm gonna play it here, but we all know, we can testify to that. That nobody says that everything is bed of roses. Like, as long as you are leading or you are championing Biafran cause as a leader, and of course, people that will come after you are no other person than your own people. As long as it's Biafra. I wanted to lament this to somebody, and the person told me, look, even the time of South Africa, they had this kind of issue among them. They were fighting each other. They were this, they were that. Then I said, okay, if that is the case, but I don't like it at all. I don't like it. So I don't know if you have seen that video. If you have seen that, please let me know. I'm trying to locate that video from Nikki's page, but I can't see Nikki anymore. I can't see her here. Maybe as we move forward, I may bring it up so that you hear it. Okay, warning like this, or leak audio like this, or information like this, no matter how you want to put it, is not something. Seeing what you have seen all this while, it's not something that you just take for granted and say, "Oh, nothing is going on." You need to sit up and cross-check it and be careful about it. Some of you that have access to serious, please let her know about it. Whether it's a rumor, whether it is true or anything at all. But that reminds me of something. People don't go after you if you're not doing something, isn't it? People don't call for your head if you're not doing something. The same trend was what they used during the time of PM. Telling you that he's a nobody, he's the one who might say nobody care about him, nobody knows him, blah, 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 blah. Behind, they will be working on how to get rid of him. Somebody that you say that nobody listens to, that he's forcing our people, he's intimidating our people. Now, CS is just, she don't represent anything good about our people. In fact, she is the number one problem our people have. Yet, you are working hard on how to get her arrested, how to take her away. The question is, if she's that bad and evil, okay, why is it that the people that you say that she's working for are looking for her? I'm just saying, because I hate repeating class. If you are doubting that kind of information, like when they say that PM is agent of Nigeria and eyes of Nigeria, that kind of thing, then you may be like, okay, maybe it is true, you're not sure, isn't it? We keep on shouting then. How can you say the PM is agent of, that is the Tinubu and the APC planted him to destabilize an Igbo? Remember those when they were saying that, right? Then some of us use our platform and we're like, is it possible? Then why are they looking for him then? How can you contract somebody to do something and they're looking for that person to reply? Does it make any sense? They know that he's not. They know that they are lying, but they want to use it just to corrupt or destroy your brain. The target is not actually on PM. The target is on your brain cells. They know that for them to advance with their lie, they have to do something to condemn your brain cells. Then once they achieve that, then every lie will move, smoothly. And that was what they did. If not that some people resisted and PM keep on doing what he's doing, and he did not panic about it. Then eventually he ended them. Somebody somewhere will be busy now telling you, no, you cannot just say ignore that guy, ignore that woman. That woman is just agent of Nigeria. She's agent of Nigeria. She's working for Nigeria. And Nigeria, you'll be like, again, are we going to repeat the same thing again? Why are we always recycling this? What is the problem? Why are we coming back again to the same issue? What is the problem? They will tell you, yeah, Nkosara Fulani is an agent of Nigeria. Oh, she's this, is that. Behind, they themselves they will be busy working on how to get rid of her, how to make sure that they disappear her by every means necessary. So some of us have said that they watched that video. You have seen the video of I don't want to say threats. A video of somebody saying that CS is now a target, that they are working hard to make sure that she is arrested. They want to get her arrested and they want to take her away. And Maya, the lady that actually prophesied that after PM, that after they arrest PM, that a woman will take over, and that woman, according to Maya, that woman is US. Okay. Now, the statement of the same lady, because she actually have joined the chorus, telling you that, look, our people are, that CS may go in for that. She said that in that video, and that's why, because of her, that's the reason why I'm looking for that video as we speak, to bring it up for you. Okay, I'm trying my best to get it done. I'm now okay. Go to Izukan TV. You will find it there. You mean just a moment? Let me just a moment. It seems like I have seen it here. So we play it. That's the Emi Sami. I see you, my brother. Nice to have you. Let me see.
But the barrack.
Is it this one? No, it's not. It's not. Has she deleted it or what? Let me see.
How are you supporting? How are you giving your orders?
Okay. This is not the video that I'm looking for. Just a moment, let me get it, because that message is not something like, to me. Okay. So to me, any message like this, whether fake or not fake, I would personally take it serious. And remember that today is PM birthday. Please get ready to wish him birthday when we put our line here. And if you have anything to say, you say. But let us go to the program first. As Muslim mechanical court case is on as we speak. Where's that message? Just a moment. I can't see it here. I can't see it here. And then her latest upload. Okay. Okay, she posted it in a shot. Let us see.
Money has been paid.
Okay.
For the DPM to be arrested. I don't know the group that
Now
paid the money.
hear this, okay?
Paid the money, but money has been paid. For her to be arrested. You get me? That is the information reaching me now. So that when she wants to let her rest for some time, they will arrest her because money has been paid. They have been planning all means, trying all means to get the DPM out of the way. But God did not allow them. So this is what they have planned already. You see, so please try to pass this information so that it can get to her. It is very, very serious. I'm telling you, very, very serious. You don't know me before. I don't know you. I only know you on social media. So, but I see you as a sincere person, somebody who can handle matters. That is why I send you this voice note. Please try to send it. And be very, very careful. Let her not say let her go and rest in social conference place. No, money has been paid. Money has been paid. Hear me very well. I know what I'm saying.
Okay, now the one. Aga ịkpọchi Ngozi Orabueze bụ Ngozi what? Akwụọla ụgwọ isi Ngozi a na-akwụ ụgwọ ya na first March ka akwụrụ ụgwọ ya oge na-adịghị anya ọ ga-asịkwa ka o mesara ahụ anwụ ụgwọ ya kpọchie anwụkwa ya kpọchie onye ọzọ ebiriekwa n'oge na-adịghị anya ndị nọ na prison amaghị ihe ga-akụwara ha prison ha ga-apụtasịcha ndị eji ebelebe ebido ugbu a ọwụ ka Chukwu chere ndị aka ha dị ọcha maka ihe mmadụ na-ama aga agba ya. God bless you.
Money has been paid for the DPM to be arrested. I don't know the group that paid the money or whoever paid the money, but money has been paid for her to be arrested. Are you getting me? That is the information reaching me now. So that when she wants to let her rest for some time, they will arrest her because money has been paid. They have been planning all means, trying all means to get the DPM out of the way. But God did not allow them. So this is the See, so please try to pass this information so that it can get to her. It is very, very serious. I'm telling you, very, very serious. You don't know me before. I don't know you. I only know you on social media. So, but I see you as a sincere person, somebody who can handle matters. That is why I send you this voice note. Please try to send it. And be very, very careful.
Okay, that's the message. And please, you guys should like the video. I have noticed that many of you have not liked the video. Click on like button because we are just starting. Even though it has spent 25 minutes, but we are just starting. Okay, just like the video, okay? And the message, like you have listened to, is what someone said, and the source we don't know. But I don't joke with this kind of message. You may say, "Oh, you are afraid." Maybe you may say, "Oh, are you going to accept anonymous information like this?" Yes, I will, because our people are very, very evil. Okay, the way they are crying in their typing and post and video, any time to cut and cut and cut. If they see any way to poison anybody that stand on a way to make money, they will do it. They will do it, and that's why when this kind of thing comes up, I'm not the kind of person that says, okay, let me just joke with it. No, I don't joke with it. I know that many of our people are evil. You are looking for a way to arrest. How many of our people do you want to get arrested for you to begin to reason like a human being? How many? What has she done that warrant that kind of threat? Mention one. Just 2 months. And this is to tell you that it is our people that are facilitating this, not Nigerian government. Nigerian government are somehow busy with what they're doing. They don't even notice most of the things that's going on. It is only when they face men on ground like that, they will feel, okay, something is going on. But the issue of this one is supporting Biafra, oh, you're talking about Biafra. No. And I will tell you why our people are the one calling for the head of their brothers and sisters. I will tell you why. Are you aware that there are some people championing, or you may say, talking about Biafran freedom, that based in Nigeria, they are armed. So from time to time, Nigerian army, Nigerian security always go there and visit them. Have you heard this name, Innocent Oji? All this while, he have not been captured or kidnapped. He's talking about Biafra, and he bears some ego, but he's not in detention. This is not me calling anybody to go and detain him or attack him. I'm just telling you that to understand that anybody that you see, they arrest, they detain, started from our people. They are the one that facilitate the move. Anytime you see anybody telling you, they are the one. Anybody, no matter how the person sounds before, anytime, even if you're a priest, pastor, prophet, or prophetess, anytime you come across anybody telling you, you guys are kidnapping, and these are the people facilitating any arrest. They are the one reporting people, championing it, spend their time begging, please, just trust me, governor, trust me, senator, trust me, vice president. I will do it. I know, I have influence, I have been there. You know that they are the one. Do you think it's a joke when some people from other tribe begin to tell you that Igbo man is the problem of an Igbo man? Like Suleiman recently said, that the only person that will govern Nigeria and make it work is Igbo man. But the only people that are going to remove that Igbo man and that make sure that that Igbo man is being destroyed or removed is another Igbo man. Apostle Suleiman said this is his quote. I have watched another video. It's somebody from somewhere, I think from Odis Bayelsa. Is there a person Akwa like that? He said that the problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. This is not just a quote made today. They made this quote more than 50 years ago. They are using that as a kind of slogan, that the problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. Ask yourself, is it true? Seeing what is going on now, is it true or false? Of course it is true. It is true. It's not just by talking. People have proved that to be truth. That is what they want to do, and they keep on using that against themselves. Why? Some say out of jealousy. The Igbo man always wants to jealous his brother. Envy. The Igbo man loves to envy themselves. Okay? Like what is going on now. As always, you cannot have a broker without touching the Nkenoketa. There's no way now. Even no matter what you are discussing, you have to give you updates on the Nkenoketa. Because you may talk about Ifa Ajuna, Babasika, rest of them in 60s, in 70s, some in the 80s. What about in 2025? Who is representing? Because all these things, they have representatives. You must have somebody representing. Representing no Genkere, people like Genkere and the rest of them, they are there. I'm not going to call them spiritual. These people are not relenting. Just like this video like yesterday. Okay? This picture you are seeing here. I want to have a clear idea of what Areze's response is on this. But the screenshot that these people are sharing, I saw that I don't know if it's true or fake, that Areze made, how they got the picture, that Areze made a post, according to them. I'm not saying that this is what happened, okay? Please understand what my own side of the story. I saw a screenshot from their platforms with this picture and caption, like what Areze put there, according to them, telling them that he's not just a pushover person, that this is him, that he have tested, somehow he's blended. You know what that means. Now, instead of them to say, this our brother have some training, okay, this our brother have been in armed group, okay, wow, we thought you are just like vegetable, okay, so you are tested, you are carried. They said, okay, they choose to read what is written on his face cap. Oh, special force. Oh, this is Nigerian. Okay, this is Nigerian agent. Oh, you and your group are the one buying Biafrans. Now, I'm just coming to my point. Just against. Oh, so you are the one buying our people. Oh, no wonder you are working with Ngozi Fulani. Oh, no wonder. Ask yourself, everybody working with them and working with Ngozi Fulani are agents of Nigeria. Then you ask them, okay, my brothers and sisters, who is your leader? Our leader is Mas Namor Ghana. Our leader is with the PM, Simon Ekpa. They are our leaders. Okay. Have any of this your leader call for any Biafran in Nigerian forces, army, navy, police, whatever security department at all in Nigeria to retire and join Nigerian army? Have we seen anything like that? They said, no, yes, no, this one is a Fulani. Do you know what Fulani have done to our people? Like I said, I'm trying to say that it's a Photoshop. That's why I am very, very careful, because even if these people bring a picture or a video of what is going on in Vatican City, live program, I will say suspect it, because they can edit, they can cut. The only people in this wide world that I've seen cutting like statement, let's assume that somebody make a statement that I will just hear this statement. I will do my best to protect Biafra land, to fight for Biafra against Nigeria and their leaders. And our leader in Biafra will make sure that they will make Nigerian to suffer. These people, they are capable of cutting that. I will make sure that I fight for Biafra. They will remove Biafra and cut the part where I said Nigeria and put it there. It will become, I will make sure that I fight for Nigeria against Biafra. They are capable of doing that. They will cut it to listen that when you play it, it will be a different statement. That's why if I don't verify anything from them, I don't talk about it. Do you understand? Now, they use this picture, whether fake or real, I don't know. But I am analyzing it as if it, let's assume that it is real. How can you tell me that today you have some people fighting and defending different land, ex-military officers in Nigeria, ex-police officers, they choose to defend their fatherland based on the terrorism and everything going on in in Nigeria. They choose to stand and do what they think that what they felt that is what to do. These people they are contented with it. They now turn around and start calling another person's names. Many of them, it has been rumored to me that Sanak Marawa have been in Nigerian Security Department. I don't know if it is true or false. Chiamaka Ajere was a Nigerian Nollywood actor. Just gained it because many of them are talking as if they gave birth to them in abroad that they have never tested anything in Nigeria. Chiamaka Ajere being a Nigerian Nollywood actor, bragging with the video some time ago. Nobody say, oh, no wonder you are bread and butter in the Nigerian system. So you are not, no wonder you are no wonder you are attacking PM. Nobody did that. Some of them ranting have served in Nigerian, industries, companies. Some of them have been servant in a bank. Some of them have been in Nigerian politics, hiding. Can you let's be honest? Are you trying to tell me that Sanak Marawa have never ever participated in anything in Nigeria? Like not even security here. You have not worked in a Nigerian company. You have not worked in any office in Nigeria. You have not done any business that help Nigerian economy at all in your life at your age. It's a lie. But when you do anything that we want to use it to criticize you, ask them. Working as a Nigerian police officer or Nigerian army, when Mr. A served and start talking about Biafra, it become an issue. But when Mr. B do the same thing or even engage in a more higher position in Nigerian system, you okay with it? That is people fighting for you. Why Isosha is not left alone? She has something to say about it. Hear her.
Who cares? Who cares? Decision. Yeah. This picture with this guy with it that one when you would tweet special sport. After life is good, life goes on. A bit to walk in Gabia, my ass, me find a very more to walk in Gabia when I Laputan goes all a base. Now, poor on a men at Biafra land. Or one naturally the Bagafia, and not goes on a base, they go where the boom has by. It was since goes on a base and I started to walk to reach. I would still get killing this. None of it. That is why you were going to go on a base. The Soludo work with a special sport in the woman. Goes on a base is not propaganda. Nobody for that. Not just go away in the by you. Don't just go away in the by you. A special sport. Soludo work with that. Built by I started up the ball. They won't deal to those boys. Send the net. No, these guys. Not going to get not knowing.
We are coming. Just a moment. Where is this? Where is the second one? I'm just trying to get the first one. Is this the first one? Just a moment. Okay, let's hear her again.
What are the not propaganda? Not just go away in the bayou. Not just go away in the bayou. If there's special squad, so who don't go with that. You by outside the book, they want to recruit those boys. Send the net, no, these guys can recruit. Not going to get not knowing. No one goes all a base. When they sneak that document out. Why didn't you know what goes all a base? Okay, get out just only once. Kagadafi better their program. Now fundraise. I need a chitachi and the sister road today. Gaddafi abasing their fundraising again. Pana batazi ono buna. Ono bato ujwenzi na achu. Na that government again. Marangozo na bezo wele all the bad people who was by one way okay. One way okay. And they had a proud. They're happy. And this guy went to metal. What if I hope that? Nacho when you get him on a money, and I say I'm not going to open one, and I'm opening one, and very dangerous. Do you remember this cap? Fear it. Or message this guy say, you know.
Okay, you have listened to that, and see, one thing you need to understand is that I'm not supposed to play this. I'm not supposed to play this. But this is why I played it, for you to know when we talk about liars, we don't mean to drag anybody to mud. Like when we say that, sometimes you see my tattoo here, liars. When I say that, I'm not just saying that because I want to brag or drag or insult anybody. I have seen liars. I have listened to lies. I've actually talked to liars. But there's levels of lies. I mean, this woman, if her own lie, if lie is like land, this woman will be in Lekki. Like if you want to measure the level, her level of lie is in Lekki phase 1. Or maybe if you go to any state in Southeast, GRA areas, those government areas, to get a land there, you need to empty your pocket. That is the level of her lies. She can lie with everything in her. In fact, if her blood vein have another vein in her body, she have another vein that's just in another blood. That vein, what is flowing there is lie. Like, I don't know how to describe it for you to know. The annoying and the most shameful part of it is that she don't care. She don't have any. When she says, I don't care, truly she don't care. And she don't care about how she's staining her name, her identity, and everything about her. The man, I'm not going to say much about this. I just want to just touch a few things for you to know the kind of people a mature person will take shower, wear clothes, bring out his or her phone, swap, and go to a channel and start listening to that. Before PM was arrested, do you know Marvelous Arinze or not? I mean, do you know, have you seen him? Yes or no? You do, right? Many of you were happy with him, the way he talked, what he represents. Chiamaka was pushing to bring him to interview, to join him at early stage, like you normally do. Everybody have his or her experience about him. This our brother was not called or bring or has anything to do with US. He saw what is happening, he joined. Like he joined during the time of PM. How his offense, the only problem that this guy committed now is not about the special force. Not at all. The problem is Why must you refuse Ogenkere? That's the problem is for Sona Barawa and their team. Adodarama, her own, remains, I am stranded, so anywhere I see vacant, I will go and sit. That's what she's doing. She don't even have any criteria of people that he want to join. She don't have any choice. Like, she don't have any choice. I don't want to say life of hook up, because you don't have choice. You don't know what you want. You wake up, any door that is open, all you care is about, you just care about room to enter. Not that you have taste of the kind of structure, the fittings in the house. You don't need it. That's what she don't care. And the annoying part again is that she will use her mouth to tell you that I don't care, and truly she don't care. This our brother, if and can Ndigbo say something they cannot verify? Can you say something that have you seen any video where this guy is buying anybody? Can you also say in your own village that you don't have anybody that is serving in Nigerian police, in your entire village, army, in navy? Can you say what you are saying to this guy, to those people? They are also Biafran, isn't it? It's not about what you have done in the past. It's about what you are doing and what you are capable of doing. In fact, moving away from Nigerian army or police is something that everybody encouraged. PM did it. Manokano, the same thing. Telling them, no, don't. Even me, there was a time I watched a video, then I used this my platform and said that if you are a Christian and you are serving in the north, think twice. I said that even yesterday, when I was talking about the three army that Israel beheaded, many of you have seen that post. It is another reporter page. In fact, I reported it from that page. I said that these three people could be Christians. That's why Sahara reporter refused to call their names. I said it here. Why? It is dangerous for you to be a Christian serving in those armed forces, that you will serve and come back and remain the same. I doubt. Why? Because if at all they capture you, you are a gunner. And the guy, when they are posting people, could be somehow in contact with them. This is what our people, even Mazagano, highlighted that you are putting your life in danger. Now, if you have a brother, a sister that have been there and come back, to welcome the person or appreciate the person for coming back in peace, and to understand the reason why he or she decided to leave the army or Nigerian security forces. Instead of you to appreciate that, you begin to call the person's name and insult the person. What you're actually doing is to discourage others that are yet to come, because they already know how you treat them when they come. The same system that this woman is, because she don't reason. She think that everything is just the way she felt, let her run with it, and that's all. She came out and said that USB is a terrorist organization. Something that the even PM is facing charges as we speak. Some may say that one have been dropped. Is there any time they put that in one of his court cases? Yes or no? If yes, then you need to tread with caution. Because as you claim that you have been in the cabinet, even though they have sacked you, you saying this, they may say that you are saying it out of experience when you were there. And that is why I think it is right time to start calling government, USB government, to begin to look into your matter. Anywhere that they need to sue you legally, they should go to France and sue you, or any part of Europe. I don't know about the law, but the way this woman is talking, she needs to be called to order. I'm not a fan of preaching for violence or instigating problem, but sometimes you need to remove something for peace to reign. You need to ask now when for the I'm an one to go what's around like this. Open no make it how why wake it no udeje fi ken kona ke we kelen ku na But that one we then you know that you are dealing with something that is not dead. Everything is just what you use about saga. When she started talking about Chamaka Jared that I was like, wow. Do you understand it? Have you seen anywhere I talk about that on my platform? Never, because I know the implication. When she talked about Ogenkere, that Ogenkere is this one, Ogenkere is people actually, because they believe that speaking loud like a market woman or shouting like somebody who is loading bus in one of the car park in Nigeria, your voice is, you don't even need public address system to talk to people because your voice is so loud. You think that means that you're making sense? No, you are just, this is not noise pollution. If you want to say something, think the implication, what I'm saying against this people, against the person. Is it something that is it right? Everybody now, even the woman called Betty Ford. Some of us believe, it's good to somehow put your time on social media, because ordinarily when I see some of these our Biafran women in Europe, in America, I will see the way I see them. I rate them too high. Do you understand? But now, many of them are just. In fact, God just opened a door for them to travel for our land to breed. Imagine when they are in the village, this kind of women, if they are in the village, what they would do. At their age, I'm talking about Betty Ford now, because she also shared the same video. Oh, how old is Arenze? People that were shooting, because he cocked her own is, she looked for that picture where military were shooting in the doors in a one village like that, without, they don't care if anybody's in the house. They were shooting, without any, carelessly. She used her data as, that is Arenze's group. Now, let's assume that nobody analyzed those things. Somebody that have a brother that lost his or friends or brother by the activities of Nigerian army or Nigerian security forces, terrorists, as in Boko Haram and ISWAP and or bandit, anything at all. You lost your loved one. And listen to these people and see Arenze, you would like, the easiest person to target is Arenze. That he's part and parcel of people buying at people. And you see Mr. A saying it, Mr. B saying it. These people don't know. You don't need to use knife and if before you commit murder. Some of you are moving around today with a lot of blood in your hand without knowing, thinking that, I just broadcast. No, you did not. Some of the things that you're saying, you are putting people's life in danger. You are lying, even though you know. That's another part. And some of you are mother, grandmother. I don't know. Some of you may not even have children, because I don't know. Some of you, I'm not saying everybody, but the truth is that in your age, you should know better. Everything is not about Ibasaga. There's limit in everything you do. There's limit. You know that's not true. You know that you are lying. Why are you keep on saying that? Especially our women. The woman in the US called, I don't know, came out. What she said, 90% of them is lie. I thought that man cannot spend a day without lying. When she was, Solomon Nkwacha is a sabo, he's a sabo. I was waiting to hear that sabo. Like, okay, that this is video, this is nothing. But her intention was to blackmail him, so that people begin to hate him, for her to see a thought to be the new defense secretary of defense. I thought she don't even know that there's criteria. Like, you must have some experience, you must pass through something to be somewhere. Somebody who, for example, for you to be a government certified teacher in Nigeria, there are some, even as bad as Nigerian education is, there are some requirements. You have to attend. The basic one is, in case if you don't attend university, maybe you just pass through secondary school, through primary school, secondary school, or maybe primary school, then you manage yourself to find got admission in a place like Hamofo. That's where you have teachers college. The one I know in the East, in this Ihamofu you're hearing, there's teachers college there. You have to go there to get some basic knowledge to teach, children. Even as bad as Nigerian education is, they still have requirement. You don't know that even those ministers, those positions that you're looking at, that you are eyeing, there's requirement for that. What is that government's requirement? Even Boy Scout, in my Scout, and then Amodi, you in a church, if you're a Christian, then you wear something like blue shirt and this khaki color pants, something like that. You have not even organized them. Village vigilante. I don't know have not. If they give another man now life, all this rifle, like AK and all that, or pump. Can you differentiate between pump action and all that? What can you mention 5 names of catapult? Can you load anything? What, have you even lead any protest? I mean, protest carrying placards and flag. What is your requirement? The requirement is who will get a commander general contact first. Then the person is secretary general. I mean, people can be funny. About spray national coil. It was not about him, then I need to watch John. About John. Some of us are very, very funny. Very, very, very funny. You wake up in the morning, you look at yourself, you don't know what to talk about. In your platform, even if you don't, must you talk? You can start by encouraging people as a woman, as a mother. You can start teaching different women that have children how to, in case if there's any crisis, what you're supposed to do. That is what mothers do. Me I am all working because why husband granted in Africa. You don't have that system there. In the Americans and the Europeans are doing what they're doing, women first and all this. I'm not against it, but check the environment where they're operating that. In Africa, that you can wake up one day and see job of a man in your front as a woman. Then if you don't have any man around you, what will you do? But in Europe, they will have phone, they have hotline, number to call that will set them free. Do you have also that in Africa? That's why it's not. Yet you want to live like European in Africa. That's everything. Even if you want to bring that kind of system in our land, the time is not yet. If you like I said, I've never seen any picture anywhere people are discussing how you perform in your military training in France, that you have been trained and you are you know what in and out. It's not a to create this in an empty throne. But there's something you need to do to merit any position. I'm not here to insult anybody, but I just want, in case of any other people that are reasoning like that, because I can find that, I can tell you that I can take that for free. Many things that you guys are doing is about position. I saw the one called Okute Biafra. You keep on cutting and joining. Everything you are doing. Have you asked yourself as a man, because you're not a baby, your voice, you are above 30, and maybe downplaying your age, you may be 40 or 40 something or 50 though. But because when I listened to your voice in another program, I felt this guy is not a kid. Do you understand? But what you are doing on social media is not like what's something that a 14 years old will be doing. People who have something to offer don't have time to gossip. It's either you are teaching or you are saying something, clearing air until that will help people mentally, physically, or otherwise. But this issue, the idea of somebody says something, you have time to cut and join, bring it. Okay, you remember something happened in the 1960s, you merge it together, content. You are just creating content is good, but don't use it to destabilize people's life and with their webbing. There's time for everything. It doesn't matter ranta, make propaganda and silaga. If something that people will say, okay, yes, you are doing something reasonable. In fact, this our brother you are not disappointing. That will be understandable. But you see all this constant, that's what I am highly disappointed on this guy called Sana Parawa. He's the least person that I expect to do what he's doing at the moment. Least. among all the least. And that brings me to the program, the post that he made, a few days ago. You're gonna listen to that. You see how what he think about himself, how he carry himself. He actually believe that he can do and don't do. Now listen to this, because we literally talked about it yesterday, but I decided not to go deeper because I know that we're gonna come back for it. Now, I'm gonna take it back. So let me start from the beginning. Please let me pause it. We are 100 and something watching. 47 people have liked the video. I know that opponents are watching, of course. What I mean by when I'm talking about people who say that we should fall back, I know they are watching. I am not expecting them to like the video. But you that understand what I'm saying, you cannot be putting comment that telling me as we are solidly behind you. I've told you I don't believe on that. But start following this page by subscribing and liking the video, so that the video will get to people who care to understand what is going on. All right. So, and I expect you to do that now, not later. Very, very important. Like the video. Then the video may get to people that may learn something from it. I'm not saying that everybody who watch the video will be baptized. No. Some it will only say, so no matter what you do, my own is to tell you what I feel, not even mandating you to believe what I'm saying, just saying, putting my own opinion, and also put my line for you to come and say your own. And that is a Chibike Miracle. I see you. Nice to have you guys. Many of you that put comment here, I appreciate you. But let me not waste time, okay? Like the video if you can. I'm not forcing you. Just like the video, okay? Let's continue.
Support them if you like. But the only time we will have problem with them is when they come and start fighting our template and our structure.
Now, what is template? What is structure? Bridge. That's where you have fallback. Some of you, in case if you don't see where to like the video, please, that straight dot at top corner of your right hand on your phone. So you tap it, you will see option to like the video. Because sometimes when you are watching from phone, you may not see the option to like the video. That's the best way to locate it. Just tap it there and give it a thumbs up. And we are not going to wait anymore. Let's continue. Just a moment.
Them if you like. But the only time we will have problem with them is when they come and start fighting our template and our structure. So, like I said, after convention, because you can go and have your group, but the only problem I have with you is to come and try to destroy the government that Prime Minister had, the template and everything that he has set up on the mandate of the Biafran people for us. You want to use up everything, hijack it to your own.
Now, you want to dissolve everything and hijack everything for yourself, on your own. COS is not acting on her own, number one. Number two, Biafra is not about Sana Parawa, COS, and PM. What PM said did not land in the ear of Sana Parawa to tell everybody. You have ear to hear it direct from CPM. So you are trying to explain it and narrating anything there is, to me, is uncalled for. But be who you are. You will show who you are anytime, any zone. But this issue of structure, it is two things here. One, you are benefiting from the structure. You don't want anything. In fact, even if PM is here, somehow you will keep marriage, or you'll be envy, you may pretend that you are contented with what is going on, but you will be working secretly to destroy everything. That is how bad people can be. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to what you're about to say, because it will tell you how this issue of our land is this, our land is this. This is where it started. Just hear him. In case if you are busy or anything, this is time to pay attention. Listen.
Hijack the ID card of BRGI to your USB government. You want to hijack IOU to your USB government, we stop you.
Just be counting it. ID card, we stop you. IOU will stop you. Just because, that's true now.
Want to hijack IPO in USA to website to your USB government will stop you.
That is the account to donate money. We stop you. Again, that's three now.
Want to hijack the African website will stop you. You also want to hijack.
You want to hijack website, we stop you. How many now? Now account of here.
The African Liberation Army, we stop you.
We also want to hijack the African Liberation Army, we stop you. Negenti. Because this is where they are releasing truth. And when he released this truth, the aim was just to make sure that he's justified by telling you that the Nkosana Bese is a Fulani woman that come to destroy structure. But on a second thought, this is to validate to you that COS started from beginning. Everything is free. They hijack it without using anything without doing anything with it. When we said that they stopped army from operating, they said, no, it's a lie. Nobody, I did not say that. No. When you hijack it, what does that mean? What did you do with it? They will not turn around and tell you, then ask us to bring his army after hijacking the army that is on ground. I don't know if you are following what I'm saying, but God will give you the grace to understand this broadcast. After telling you that we stop IOU, ID card, account, the general account, the website, we stop you from the even Biafran coin. Everything was hijacked to the level of even the office itself in Maryland was hijacked. Then somebody will tell you, since the African Declaration, what Ngozi have done? Mention what he have done. Some people that have cobwebs in ear and nose and their brain. What you don't know, you don't know. Am I the one saying this? Sonny is telling you everything that they hijacked. You wanted to take this one, we hijacked. We thought we succeeded. And with a smile on his face saying that these people will still turn around and then Ngozi is killing our people. But you are telling us how you hijack people that are preventing those killers. You are telling us that how you said it here. Am I the one that called it? Because sometimes because they are good in cutting. On an attempt to call this one to circulate, you are exposing what you are denying that you did not do. Listen.
And then that is why you came out to start calling all the Biafra Liberation Army kidnappers, fraudsters.
Let them bring the video. Bring the video, not to your AI, like AI of message. PM, someone sending you message to fall back. Although we know when they bring it, we detect it, of course. Do we look like no? We know what you're saying. Just bring the video. Bring the audio. Not even a video. In case if you may say that she texts you in a private message, bring it. Where she told you that the Liberation Army in the Bondi kidnappers. The people that said it is with you now. They are with you now, with singing your praises. I don't need to mention the name. Biafrans, no, I'm not the one. It's not my job to tell you everything, right? You know, you yourself know, and that's why you refuse to open the door for them. They keep on knocking, begging you, calling your name, like a QTV that the video that I posted earlier this morning. The guy is just with Ujiro Bejina, just getting back to follow back because he wanted to fall back. He noticed that there's a lot of thorns. Oguna bought a as a Juna, or land. He's trying to clear bush where he's going to land. You can only deceive people that are maybe somewhere in Ogun State, in Badagry. Issues work around you can manipulate with this kind of thing. The only people that you manipulate are people that grew up in our land, that knows what we know left and right now. It's not bragging, it's God gift. Only one that they are following now, they are following you. They also want what you want. That's the only thing. They want position, they want money, nothing more. No reasonable, sensible person with clear conscience and that have his brain that is in control of himself, that will listen to your two brokers, two only. We know the kind of person that you are. So not only your two brokers, everything will be in it. Or let's see if the person is actually like you. I mean, looking for what you are looking for, then listen.
And terrorists. You brandish them fraud. Why?
Very
Because
funny.
you have been stopped from taking what does not belong to you. But those of you that listen to the interview with Spencer, Jihad Wash, Spencer told her, Madam, before you come to this interview, there has been so much speculation that you claim to be who you are not.
Lie from Peter her. The man did not say that. The man was actually referring that he have seen your propaganda on social media. Who are you? The man was trying to clear to verify what is here, because I can see that I saw the one guy with the beers with I don't know his name. That's what the man is literally saying. That many of you, your propaganda is your noise pollution on social media is too much. The man was able to detect that, to see it. That you guys are calling her name, telling her that she's this, she's that. Can you tell us who you are? Use your mouth and explain to us who you are. That was what man is saying. If the man sees you as somebody that is claiming what she's not, normally he will not even invite her on his program, on his program or platform. Simple common sense. Do you actually believe that they're a white man? We know that you are forging who you are, lying to people that who you are. Then he will now someone correct to invite you on his program to do what? The man was telling you, trying to test yes, all these mushrooms that are saying all this on social media, who are there? They say you are not this, you are this. Are you claiming what you are? As a journalist, are you claiming what you are not? That was the question. But being that you are hell bent in line, I don't know. Your son should be lying. You should lie. What I want to just to name, okay, lying is lying Muhammad. Because Sonny, who named you Sonny actually? You're not Sonny. You should be Linus. Lying Muhammad. You can you just hear that?
Why are you claiming to be who you are not? Because you are not a deputy prime minister. No Biafran made you. You made yourself. You claim. You go and register your own group, and you should register your own group.
She registered the group because you hijacked, like what you said here. You hijack everything, you hijack. That's what you said here. The video, this audio is very simple. Very, very simple. And I love the fact that you guys use your hand and cut it. Did I cut anything? I'm playing it from somebody called, where is it? Simon Epa. One of you. How to know them, they will put PM push. Like US normally do. Put myself on the kind of picture. Put green, white, green. This is DOS 2.0. But this time around, their friends have gone and they have seen it all. It's no longer business as usual. Only one following you now is either they have problem mentally, or they are part of you looking for what to lay hand upon. Let me not go there. But you get the point, right? You get the point. Let's continue.
You now make prime minister your head of state. You now make prime minister your prime minister. Then you now make yourself deputy.
So making prime minister head of state is a taboo to you. This is what CS actually said. That many of them see PM as, are we not the one that started this together? Why? What is the difference between you and me? Their mentality. Why Isocha and France can come out at her level, bragging to be a leader, because to her, in the often France, in the often Finland is a Biafrans only. Like, do you know Biafrans that are not yet contributing anything? Do you know the level? Do you understand what I'm talking about? That PM opened door for everybody to come and work together. Do you think that he's foolish? Immediately after general election, where P2B failed, go and watch PM's State of Nation broadcast. After P2B failed, not PM, sorry, P2B failed after the general election. When P2B, after contesting, obedient movement, obedient, we were busy telling them you are wasting off your time. I even said that even P2B is the right person and everything, that I'm afraid that him coming out being Nigerian president will be one of the worst things to happen to our people. And I gave reasons. I'm not going to go there now because that's not what this program is all about. The issue is that PM says something after that, calling everybody that I have forgiven you. This is a time to unite. Let us know our problem and go for what is good for us. We need that program of that broadcast of PM actually relieve many people because some of the obedience was not. They were kind of they were disappointed and they were ashamed of themselves. That some of them begin to change their profile name and everything. But PM say you don't need to worry. You are our brother. That is love. Do you know that when PM said that, that thing is not only for obedient movement. It has to do with people even in security department. One man that was once the home that PM gave, and somebody that is I can't remember the person's post in to do those government decided to tender his resignation. PM come out and said it and told the person, don't panic, you have our back if you can maintain what you have just done. That is the love. That is what you see on a freedom fighter. They will hear you back, shouting. They will not insult you. PM don't insult. You be the one insulting him after everything. When you fail, he will come with love and tell you, you're still our child. This is what to do. You learn from your mistakes and all that. The mindset of those ones that are money grabbers, what they will tell you, oh, we can't forget. We can't forget. You need to pay. We need to pay with your head. If Sonak Barawa and their camp happen to be the leader, do you think what happened to what is the name of this lady in France? Not was in France, in Canada. Someone should remind me her name. The one that the Nigerian government was setting, dusting every airport to welcome her deportation. That she insulted them. People. Somebody should remind me that on comment section. I can't. What is her name? Amaka. Thank God, I remember now. Amaka. Amaka in Canada. Do you think that because Amaka is not part of anything, she don't contribute. She's just mind her business. But what did PM do? Immediately PM noticed that people were celebrating on social media, rejoicing that the Igbo lady is coming back to face her fear. PM said, no, it's not under my watch. What did he do? He stopped that. No time again. Then you see some people telling you otherwise. Pretending that they know everything, whereas they know nothing. My people, I'm gonna play this again. Just here.
And also deputy head of state.
So that is the end of the short clip, right? The issue is that sometimes you need to understand you don't need to go make any attempt to solve your problem until you find out your problem. What is your problem actually? Then you will be able to solve it. Without it, you are on your own. No? You are on your own. I don't know why they believe what made them think that everybody is like them. You cannot do anything. You can't even identify anything at all. You are speaking without anything, without any backup or anything at all. Now, ask these people. Apart from what PM have done, what have they actually? What is the new thing they have in place? What is their plan? When are they going to declare Biafra? Because to them, since Biafra has not been declared, right? If that's why they want to fall back. When are you going to declare Biafra? They don't have any templates. It is when you ask them, they will say, no, Biafra has been declared. No, Biafra has been declared. We are just in bridge to fight and defend it. Fight now, allegedly, I'm not there. Fight now, can we get their hands in the money that they need? People that are claiming, oh, COS is not giving us money. We are not receiving any money. Oh, we are not receiving any money. Prince Will, BNL leader, confirmed in his video that he received 4 million. He received 4 million. Immediately after declaration, he received 4 million. Is it those that are in Imo State, did not receive anything? Which are the one? Until they decided to, after receiving call from Success, they decided not to talk about it again. All of them decided to withdraw, believing that that will push CS away. Now they realize that they're not. They started crying. Oh, we don't receive money. I don't need to go on this issue deeper. I just want to touch it a little bit because some people are still saying, oh, my anger with the USB because he did not take care of men on ground. Who told you that? Who gave you? And remember, the issue when like what he said now, according to Sana Parawa, they hijack everything. He used his mouth. If you want me to play it again, I play it again. He hijacked literally everything. The only thing that did not hijack is CS, the office of CS, because CS is CS, which they have actually created another one for themselves. Then the question is, many of you question, oh, CS, what are you doing? How long did it take PM to create those things that these guys have hijacked? Can you answer that question? You think the PM just wake up one day and begin to register new office, begin to create website, different coin, ID card, all this thing that's going on now? All this things have fall back to square one. Square one, courtesy of those that they just gave ordinary information minister and financial minister. Nothing more. They have dragged everything to ground zero. And somebody somewhere will be telling, no, PM is just killing our people. We used to, I don't know why they keep on repeating the same old story. We used to hear, you are killing our people, oh, you are killing our people. As if we do not come from Biafra land. Oh, we don't have siblings, is it? We don't have a family, we don't have a money, we don't have village, we don't have town. So only you know what's happening in Biafra land. In Anopa. I don't know, man. People can use that tongue to lying for a living. And they're happy with it. Next thing, oh, I'm a Nutra. I'm a Nutra. I am Nutra. They will start with Nutra. Then their next post will tell you who they are. I am Nutra, I'm Nutra. Oh, you are Nutra, isn't it? Really? Okay, remain Nutra. But somebody claiming that he is fighting for Biafra and our land is on fire. Our land is on fire. You ask them, okay, your land is on. Who's your leader actually? Okay, is the leader. Okay, okay. Then why our land is on fire? You can't ask some customer advice. I thought you said okay, is the leader. From Ogen is the person. Then okay, is the person you know. Yes, our foundation there, we know men on ground is with Ogen, okay. Then let's suppose our land is on fire. Customer advice is not doing anything. What is going on? Who is your leader? Ogen. Then who's the reason? What is the reason why our land is on fire? You can't ask her because of the she's the one that is refused to command. She can't command. As if you are talking to inanimate objects. Anyway, my people, you can go on and on. I spend 1 hour, 23 minutes only talking, right? But people that are doing the action are doing the action. I'm not in the action department. My own is to bring it to you the way it is. If you like, you learn from it. If you don't like, the situation will do it for you. But I'm gonna put my number in case if you want to have anything to say, and just do that. Okay, do that. I see you sent. I appreciate your time. You don't allow anybody to be in control of your brain. It is time for you to stand up and do what you can do. Okay, don't just stand on a defense like, oh, I'm Lutra. All of us are Lutra. If you don't know it, we are all Lutra. Are we actually carrying any action? That's why it's not government is doing the action. So we are all Lutra. But it depends on what kind. People who claim they are Lutra are not actually Lutra. These are sabotage, telling you they are Lutra. How can you be Lutra when your post is actually hammering on something that's, something that is different? Thank you so much for I love this caller because you know already that this number is what you have to call. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, my brother. Yeah, good. I don't know your time there, but there's still money here.
All the same. All the same, my brother.
Yeah, I've been listening to you since, and from all what you are saying, I spoke to your platform a few days ago.
Yeah, I know.
And I still have not come to understand why this Biafran government in exile after the first Lati, the first program they had in Finland. That first program was Briggy, and after Briggy, I just want to, in case I will foolishly watch this program, before they go to Lati to declare Biafra, already a state had been formed, which is 40 states. And in that 40 state, if you recall, there was people that before they were telling PM he's not doing consultation, PM did not respond to them because he knew he was doing consultation among the whole Biafran territories. So when we came up after that consultation, people were going from village to village. PM said they are not forcing anybody to be part of Biafra, but those who want to be part of Biafra willingly on their own came and say, we are Biafra, we want to be part of Biafra. After the state was missing, so the people brought the case to PM. PM still asked them to go home and put themselves together and come up in a week or two to him to add them as in place of, then it was 39. Then they did that and came up and confirmed to PM that we follow. And PM now named it, even it was the United States of Biafra. Even 3 or 4 months before this Latin convention, the map have shown, the names have shown, the map is in Twitter, is in Google Map with the whole 40 states. So, and the reason for going to Lati to declare Biafra was to solidify. Before Briggy abroad. Now, after these people confirmed that they are part of the 40 states of Biafra, then PM established de facto homeland. So it was, and if you recall, when they declared Biafra in Finland, the documents generated is now USB stroke de facto stroke Briggy stroke de facto. Why? Because a lot of our document is still with the name Briggy. And these documents will have to be faced off after now the other legal documents for United States of Biafra have been solidified. So I do not understand, because I was watching Elena, like he said, he has no job. Why I called you immediately, because I do security. I'm going to work. Say before I leave, I must have to speak. So having said that, these people don't know that most people that even is unknown, a lot of people that left the Nigerian military, that left the Nigerian police, that are with Biafra, because you cannot, most of those guys that are carrying this and that at home, most of them are still those who came from the Nigerian military. That naval commander they buy, he came. Why did they buy him? They thought he was taking over, but he was the one training them. He's a Navy commander. All of them is aware of it. It was DOS that bought him because they thought the man is too smart. This man have a career. He left it on the order of Mazen Nandekano. They planned and bought him. So all this one they are saying now, even those special forces on October, I went to my brother, even that uniform, they said that guy that they put up in his body there, that is not uniform of special forces. I am telling you now, go and make inquiry, go and watch with the activity, because I saw these people that the uniform is pure, completely black, and these people are contractors that they are working also is giving Nigerian government for security. Their uniform is not that uniform, they are pure black. My brother, if you see these people, if you have not seen them, you'll be winning their part. They look like they don't bath. I have never seen this kind of, if you see their complexion, they are as dark as charcoal. You cannot even see their faces. They are so rugged on the road. So, having said that, that thing they are showing up and down, whether we don't care, even because PM or Hamadike himself, this is the people is looking for to come along, to come. People who knows what waiting day. People, if you say, let's all go home now to go and make sure that will Adam move. As soon as I can now, I got no, I got gonna work it there. Well, man, I move on. When you watch as they want, see, I want there. Or will he go there? In Remedios that he said he's sick, he has epilepsy. He said it to countless times that he's telling you that you are. Remedios is a sick person, and he knows that. He's a very, very sick person. Remedios, I assure you, he has said it countless times. He has a very bad illness. I'm not using that as anything to him, but because he then referred to you, as heavy as you are, he's talking rubbish. So I want to leave, but what I want to say here today is, Sonny, if USB will not rise up to begin to look a way to sue Adadorama, to sue, begin the once in a, if you remember then when the OS was trying to install PM, there were some people he even say, okay, if you say you are in Europe, try and mention my name again. They all ran away.
Yeah,
you remember?
They stopped, yeah.
Yes. He said, stop. He said, you will know that this is who I am. Just let me hear my name on your mouth again. Some of them is there, they all ran away. So these people need to be sued. I said it last time in your program. Even Sonak Barawa in that small island where he is, he need to be sued. Something need to happen because this lie is too much. It's too much, my brother.
That one is African country. It's not going to carry any weight. You understand? It's African country.
Yeah, I know, yeah. It's too much, but like, what I know is that they are not real. They are not standing for Biafrans. Even that ID card is saying, let me tell you, this is how they lie. They hijacked everything. They were not able to capture that ID card.
Yeah.
But people are doing their ID cards right now perfectly.
Okay.
It's in an even more easier way to apply than when he was on that bridge. Very easy. That one they did not lay hands on that.
Okay.
The application is going now smoothly. Even if you start it now, within 2 days you are done. So, but this is how they lie to people. This is how they lie. This happened. All these things, they captured, they did a lot of havoc. Those guys, they actually did havoc. So, but we know that Adadorama, ask Adadorama, he has an ID card that PM showcasing openly. What is it written there? Go and check that ID that Adadama is holding. If it's breaking, check. It's USB.
Okay.
It's online. Go and check it. It's online. PM show everybody its own. Go and check it. It's never breaking.
I have asked the question if in the charter the charter is it stated that after the declaration of Biafra that you're going to continue answering Briggy or USB?
No. What with the charter I have my own here.
Okay.
All these things are first documents that these things are, because PM told everybody he has learned from others. That is why Ambassador is answering Ambassador Governing Council.
Okay.
This is the purely legitimate government, Ambassador Governing Council, and they never change it. Now it's no longer Ambassador Exile Council and Ambassador Governing Council. Now, what the charter did was to bring documents that you used to go and declare Biafra. All of them, they are aware of what this is. They are just trying to deceive people. Both Sonia and Marawa, all of them is aware. It's not because, let me tell you, these people, they gave the money and they have taken the money Chinasa, Woro and Co, they did it, they don't know how to come back. They, you know, Amamote Jasani, Basina, Haborosa, Bafozi, Ofe, Amazo Tasha, exactly. So the charter they are talking about, the charter is a document. It's not the document that will take us to UAD. The bridge, charter now will stay down. There in 1 year, a year can PNG prepared to declare Biafra. What happened all over the world to hear that we are going to declare Biafra and defend it.
Honestly.
It's not 2 months program. It's over a year that PM put this date that it will happen. And Adado Rama and group and so now all of them, they were propagating that United States of Biafra, how powerful, how colorful Biafra will be, how beautiful. At the end, the set time came. So, and because they did not understand what surrogate means, let them go and do Google. Because sometimes you Google them and teach them. Let them Google what surrogate is. And let them go and ask Google, what is the position of a COS? COS, go and meet a Tinubu, but I will allow you.
Okay.
No minister, no senator, no House of Rep can enter Aso Rock. The office of CEO is the last office you will get before you meet Tinubu. If this guy is not in good terms with you, you will not see Tinubu. That is COS supersede every government. Every office, both the minister, both speaker, both the senator, they are all under COS. No matter it's a different arm of government, but you cannot say you're a senator, you just walk into Tinubu's office. Without the COS, he will be questioned because after COS, if anything happened to the president, they hold you responsible. So the people should stop deceiving our people. What is happening now? Yes, I thank you people because now we begin to call them out. You know, sometimes say don't call their name. Look as if even Kelena he has taken up at he say any day now that he has no. He say if I had talk anything he talk, he come and because it's what they're looking for.
No, the reason why someone like me, I was kind of I delayed mentioning their name and going the way we are going now. Normally, if you are following me before, I will not even allow you to call her name or insult her here.
I know.
Then I was waiting for them because I want to see if they can repent, if there's any way of peace, any way of reconciliation. But it is not clear that from day one, they know what they were doing, looking for any loophole to hijack and siphon money. Because Ada is not only looking for money, but she's looking for position. But she forgot that there's a criteria for you to be there. You don't just wake up and say, okay, I want to be president. Or how cheap is it? How cheap body? So my brother, I really appreciate you, sir. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. All the best. Thank you.
Anytime. So the line is open, and we have a few times to receive call. If anybody want to call, then you can call. And I know somebody told me yesterday I should always announce that I'm coming live before I stream, because for the fact that I don't have my time, I don't control my own time. To be honest with you, I cannot just do that. Sometimes I have to use the time that I have and stream, but I have other things to do. And the line is pinned here. If you want to say anything, you say it. Just I don't want when I want to end the broadcast, then you start calling. Let us hear what this our brother said. Okay, while waiting for people to contribute.
My brother, you are my brother, and you are serving. This message is for my brothers who are serving in the Nigerian military, the Air Force, the Army, and the Navy, even the police, Nigerian police, any security outfit. My brother, you are my brother, and you are serving Nigeria. This message is for you. To those of you that were brought from the north, they deployed you from the north. Maybe they've given you some kind of drilling and orientation that made you forget who you are. Let me talk to you in the way that you understand. Aboki abayeko kishi. Ingona fura di nono. Akrogada arusoro. They give you gun to come and kill your brothers. Nah, this message is for you. Okay, like this, now, someone can tell you. Someone the Prime Minister of Biafra, he don't query you said today now your last one. You don't come Biafra, they kill your own brother. Today now you.
This is the arrange, marvelous arrange. Sending message there. You can hear, and today they're telling that the guy is wrong, buying people. This may be. They're quite gentle.
Your last one, he don't give you opportunity. You know what things are the call opportunity, don't give you plenty of opportunity. Say today, now's the last day. Quite surrender. Well, I do. Because as it be like this, he will give you opportunity where you say you will be sample, be a prayer and while that training where they give you for dear, say
hello?
Kill your brother, you will change that, you will become be a prayer and they will give you opportunity now.
And then my cake man. Gasike.
That's my brother. This person, they call her Kuruna.
Yeah.
They got the guy all the complete 100% correct.
Of course.
100% correct. And when go make mistake, you know exactly what to check.
True talk.
These people just pattern in Qatar like this. We say chapter 0 mo Biafra. Since I agree with them. I believe all this kind of propaganda and lies, deceit. Just imagine as we are watching everything during PM, how everything went. All of a sudden, the declaration was made, and all of a sudden, these people, Sonia Brown and their group, want us to fall back to do what? Before then, this is BRUGIE in Gokuyana. PM will run away that now. We cannot get Biafra under this BRUGIE. PM said it. That is why he conducted this referendum. That he wants 50. PM said that he wants 20 million. All of a sudden, we reach 50, right?
Yeah.
He is expecting 20 million. So now we pass 20 million, reach 50 million. For him to validate this USB, to get that document, so that we can now present those documents to countries and the United Nations, so that whenever we are asking something, then we ask it through this USB. These people know all these kind of things, but they know all of this. They're not telling us to fall back. When they are in this is their BRUGIE. COS was there. COS was there. All of them. If we fall back there again, is she going to still be the leader, or are they going to remove her from there?
Are they confused? Now what?
These people do not know. Yes, now they're confused. These people do not know what we want. They don't know it at all. Because you cannot tell me, if you check out, I was listening to all of them, I have listened to even Adade Orama and Sonny, when they came out some time ago that telling us that Solomon Bocha, Minister of Defense currently, is a lie. He was there when PM himself made that man that thing. PM one year restored that man to become that defense minister. But all of a sudden, they are now fighting it. When they find out that the COS come out and bring the document, how the man was there before, all of them keep quiet for that one. They are fighting one man called Yakubu from this side. We fight for that. All of a sudden, I don't know that Yakubu said the same Yakubu follow right the tax. This start now, Biafra United Bob Kajana did. Now make noise.
Yakubu Nana, Nandi the Chapoma, all these kind of things. For you to understand that this propaganda is no longer flying because Biafrans are now looking into it. You know, sometimes when you sit down and watch some people who witness the truth, all of a sudden, they are now try to recognize the same truth. Because when you look at the other kind of propaganda, guys, I've said it before. When you support evil, you are evil in yourself, in you. You are evil. Because it is only evil people support evil.
Yeah.
A good man or a good woman cannot see evil and support evil. How? But it's very, very unfortunate that some of our people, some of them all go not head. Look at this guy now called Remitus. You can imagine now that Remitus now is shadow of himself. He is shadow of himself. I told him this morning. I told Remitus this morning. I said to him, it will take you many lies to cover those lies. You have lied to us. It will take you many lies to cover those lies. Because because what I do is caption. So I remember caption this morning. Apologizing to Dr. Ngozi Orebese. You know, now what is you? All these things you are doing now, have you seen that Biafrans have left you?
He's looking for because he knows that once you read the comments, that title, you would like to see if he's apologizing truly to honor Balavi from that.
Yes, that is the truth. That is the truth. So I told him that you see this thing, you see all this kind of thing, all these kind of things you are just running around. A time will come when you are no longer going to be in this social media. I myself automobile shop. I come shop in the Chingom Agri. Sweet and Chingom shop. So make him try to load it so that yes, you can really in future. Because what I'm seeing now, Biafrans are going to bully him. I'm telling you, Biafrans are going to bully him very soon. Because all this kind of life, all from you can Guru Caterpillar, from Caterpillar, all of them. From there, what particular how can Biafrans believe all this kind of lie and propaganda? We cannot believe that now. I am telling you the truth because when you look at all this kind of thing that is happening, you understand that Biafrans are now living them step by step. And that was not lie. Just like what you played now. You played how they have confiscated all the whole thing. And they are still blaming Ngozi Orebese. You collect the military. Yes, BLA, you are the one that is in charge of it.
Exactly.
All this money, all this account, you are in charge of it. All this website, you confiscated all of them. And you still trying to blame this woman that all of you live empty-handed.
That is
under 4 months. So
that is it.
Under 4 months. And you want us to stand and look at you people like this. That is why sometimes I thank God that you, people like you, and all this media just from nowhere, as you see now, this kind of evil cannot happen. Because if you people did not come out, our COS will be in very difficult areas.
True.
Because you cannot condone it. I'm telling you the truth, you cannot condone it. Because if I thought that you people did not come out in media, I don't know what you can do. I don't know. You people coming out debunking all these kind of lies. It makes the things easy to her. It makes the things so soft for her. If not, our people have gone astray. Our people have believed all this kind of lie. But watching you people debunking it, putting sense into our people. That is why our people now realizing what is happening and how everything is going on. If not, my brother, I'm telling you, I thank you people for doing that, my brother. Thank you people for doing that. Thank you also for having me. It's me,
I appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. So we have 2 callers while our brother was talking, and I have to greet my people here. Exodus TV, welcome by see you, and Nkiroka, see you. You know, when I see Nkiroka, it reminds me of this one that I having space with so not he was here before. She was here before, and Helen Peters. These are people that were. Helen Peters was a spanner holder on this platform. I don't know that the woman is not popular with it. Just like all of them anyway. Anyway, let's talk about other thing that is important. All of you, Biafran liaison Japan. I see you in there watching. I see you, sir. I see you. And who again? Gift is here with us, and Emeka. All of you. Okay? Celestine, I see you. My greetings to all of you. And please, if you call, make sure you wish PM happy birthday before you go. Very, very important. So let's continue. And let me call. Because I know if PM is here today, is the day that he normally dance with wine, you know. And then don't we want to take it down. Now, get can't banana we want to beg. Over there. Okay, if I not if I okay, if I you are the one. Please use 3 minutes once you come in. 3 minutes, so that we have chance to talk before we are not gonna we're not gonna be here forever. Okay. This our brother is busy. Who again? So if I not like the video, please like the video, because we have spent almost 2 hours, but if you couldn't have 100 likes, please try your best and like the video. Okay, I think they are busy. They were calling when this our brother was talking. Okay, his line is not even ringing. Okay, so we are gonna wait for 2 minutes. If nobody call in, then we're gonna call it a day for now, and we'll be back again. Maybe I don't want to promise anybody. Like I said, I'm not in control of my time at the moment. So anytime you see me, that's why you need to subscribe to the channel. Anytime we are here, you join us. For now, Triple M. Let me see if you are free, because I noticed that you were calling before. I don't have your number, my brother. You can see the number. I pinned the number here. This number, if you use this number, you get me +4477 6471 4657. That's the number to call. Not this number for if you want to participate. That number to call now. Okay, you can use that number. That's a number. Just use that, and you get me. Okay, so we have come to an end of this broadcast. Thank you all for your time. This is our brother that called yesterday. Let me see. Okay. So we have come to an end of this broadcast. Tochi, I see you. Are you the popular Tochi that we know? Are you the one? Okay, nice to have you guys. And please make sure before you go like the video if you can. But if you don't want to like it, I understand. See you again some other time. My brother, you watch this program. So what are you going to contribute? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Kai report. Good morning. Good evening.
Good everything, my brother. I know I'm live, and your voice is live as well.
Hey, I was expecting you yesterday.
Yes, I know. That's why I decided to call you now, because I forgot to call you before starting off the program. But since now,
okay.
I am on 1 hour, almost getting to 2 hours. And
hey, I phone. I'm so busy then. Just now can zoom again. But that is good now. But Mina Ada Simon, and you know yesterday or quarter.
Yes, I've on the life and Biafran Exodus was live as well. So
yes, Biafran Exodus, I think all of them almost 12. I think so.
Okay, no problem. Even men open the life again. I will let you know so that it was a disappointing that yesterday. I didn't feel I'm happy at all about it, but
no. I hope your program, so you have to schedule your program.
Exactly.
Hence, it did not work out. That's no problem, my brother. We understand.
Okay.
You're a family man. Understand. One or two things can rose up.
Yeah. Today is a PM birthday. Do you have anything to say about his birthday?
Yes, my brother. Yes, I was even saying that when you come to life, I don't know that you're already in life already. My brother, today is one of happiest day for us.
Exactly.
Because many years ago, a great man was born in the land of Biafra. Hero was born in the land of Biafra. Mighty man was born in the land of Biafra. In the name of Samuel Ekpa. There's a many jubilation in the land of Biafra many years ago, which is we are remembering his birthday today. We all wish him all the whole good people of Biafra. We wish him all the best.
All the best, my brother.
I believe by this time next year, he will celebrate it with us, with the freedom. Amen. And in the land of Biafra.
He said, thank you so much.
We are happy for him.
Thank you.
May God bless him and may God fight his battle.
Amen. Amen.
And I want to use this opportunity to thank you, all of you, that stand in the way of the truth.
Thank you.
I want to use this opportunity also to thank you, especially a great man like you. Who do not look by the yes, you're a great man, bro. You're a great man.
Give me no great, my brother.
Do you know how many people that you have changed their mindset? It means you're a great man. Okay. It's not until when you carry Bible and you open church and start preaching. That will be bro. You're a great man. You have changed a lot of people's mindset. Understand? You have changed a lot of people. You have deposited wisdom, knowledge in the life of many people, many Biafra. Even without many Biafra, and so many people that listen to you, you have make a lot of good deposit in their lives, which is you are one of your best. I thank you also, my brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate you.
I don't know what is your topic today. What is your topic?
No, you can watch the video later, okay? Because there's no way you capture everything here. That's not the fact. That's why I choose to ask you about the PM birthday and all that. So
later. But there's something that I want to. There's something that I want to shift to you people and to the people that are listening, all the good people of Biafra.
Okay, have the
floor.
That listening. Have the floor.
The man, that young man the one that he came to apologize, that he made the video. I want to say something.
BNL leader.
I don't know. So yes.
Okay.
So in life like this, some people like to play smart.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
The guy he played smart in order. I go down. I'm listening his brokers. I'm listening he played very well. Now he mentions success.
Yeah, he did.
He said success called him.
Yeah.
and the success told him to fall back. Then he said again that the minister of chief of staff is from his arm. Yes. Then where I want to pick something, what he said here is that success. He said Ngozi Orabeze. Why he love Ngozi Orabeze? Because the way she spoke.
Thank you.
Then he said that they give him 4 million.
Thank you.
Then later on, success called him on phone. Asked him, where do you belong? He said he belonged in United States of Biafra in Ngozi leadership, under Ngozi leadership. He now said that the success tell him to fall back. That is where I'm going. Now, as a grown-up man you are, he did not fall back with empty-handed. Number one, that is where the truth comes. Ngozi give you 4 million. Then success, then double it for you. In your right path, which is supposed to follow.
Okay.
He become a money monker. I don't know whether I'm making sense.
Very, very much.
Thank you. Now, he did not tell us the reason why he fall back. He did not tell us. What he said that there's no paper was written by someone else. There's no, after we talk, there's no paper was written by someone else. Now I asked him, is there any paper was written by someone else for Ogenkere? I mean, what is the name?
Again,
yes, is it okay? Yeah, Ogenkere. Is there any paper was written by someone else said that Ogenkere will be a deputy AM or I'll be waiting at the column.
My brother, he was sound mind. Continue.
I understand. Now, if he say that there's no paper, the reason why you are following the former finance minister leaves who is supposed to be a second command, being chief of all staff, COS. Your finance minister is under her. How can finance minister will come and write chief of staff? This is where I'm putting it for her. So, the excuse and what he's bringing out is telling us that he's a betrayer. He is a betrayer. It is the people that sold this article because of money. Because he cannot tell us that Ogenkere did not double that money for him. Say, how much Ngozi give you? Ngozi say, he gave me, he now tell them, Ngozi give me 4 million. Then, other Ogenkere have told them that are going to give you the double of the money, or 7 million every month. Are you listening to me, my brother?
I am following you very, very well. You know why I kept quiet? Because what you are saying to me is perfect. It's just that I would like to say it like me. I said in a different way. The issue is that he received money, and no, this is not an allegation. He is the one that said it. He said it that he received money. Now, you asked a question. You said that they doubled the money. Could it be that they doubled the money for him that made him to fall back? But we need to also remember that there is what they're operating under Kaaba. That Kaaba is that to him, he have people that he trusts, people that he loves. They have been working together like the success himself. He himself said that he saw what PCS did. He was so happy with it. They said that he tried to follow PCS on X. That he follows it. That's what he said. That he follows CS. Now, if you follow CS and everything is the way you want, then why is it easy? Why was it so easy for success to convince him just like that? It's because of two things. One, it could be this money that you talked about, and back and this is where our people, that kind of thing. Then meaning that you don't care about where Biafrans actually want to be. You only care about where your Kaaba want to be. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, my brother.
So we are saying the same thing here. I understand what you are saying, and I don't have any reason to doubt you on what you just said. Thank you.
Thank you, my brother. That is the thing that I want to tell all the Biafra. Those people that are saying that Ngozi or Rebeze doesn't give money to men on the ground.
It's a lie.
The guy did not say he contacted Ngozi or Rebeze.
No.
He said they give him.
Yeah.
He not even say he asked. He did not ask. They give him.
Thank you.
I understand.
Thank you.
So today, those people
my brother, independent wise.
Yes. Now, only thing they will tell me about Ngozi Odabeze to come out, men of ground to come out, either they will come out and say the money that we are giving us is not enough. I agree with them for that. But for them to open, anybody that open mouth and said that he does, the government doesn't give him money. That is why Ngozi Odabeze say he don't need to go to bring receipts when the time comes for that.
Okay,
we know.
My brother, just to add something to what you just said about whether the money is enough or not enough. Let us talk about why the money is not enough. Are you getting my point? Let us actually pay little attention to why the money could not be enough to them. Why? This guy what Sabotage said here, they hijack everything. To bring those things back requires money. Are you getting my point? To start building a new thing, something that you already have, requires money. And for you to spend that money on men on ground without getting those ones simply means that you are not declared Biafra, because those things are this is what you're supposed to have as a nation. Now, funny enough, our people choose to tackle COS. Why the money is not enough? Why you're not sending money? Whereas somebody who made it possible that money is not enough is very, very close to them, and they ignore that person. Because if to build new website require money, to register new office requires money, to fit furniture in that new office requires money, to talk about your currency requires money, to talk about ID card, maintaining that requires money. All those things has to do with money. And once you are spending money on something that you have already spent money on before, it will end up going against what men on ground want, which is the money is no longer enough for them. Do you understand?
Yes.
So my brother, let me not. I don't want to go further on this issue, but wait again. So please, if I'm not like the video, please help me like the video, because we have come to an end of this broadcast. Hoping to come back again today if possible. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel, so that whenever we are coming back, you will join us and be with us. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you all for your time, and God bless you all. See you again. Bye bye for now. Like the video before you go, very, very important. Okay, that is, I just paused because a comment just came in. That is from Edit. He said something. Edit said something that, mind you, before we continue saying money is not enough, that money was given immediately after the conversion without furtherance, isn't it? Are you getting the point? Then during the fundraising, okay, Grab already seized the account. That was why they're calling him to bring money to pay for something in the hall. Before the day of the convention, he already hijacked this whole thing. And for success to have to call this man, simply means that they have already, he's aware of what is to come. They prepared their mind and all that. And who is feeding the success? Because success did not travel to Finland. He was in contact with who? Your guess is as good as mine. But if you know, you know, like I said. So my brother, my sister, because the person is, I think you're a lady. That money did not just fall from sky. And COS is not siphoning money to build anything. What I've noticed about this movement is that people who are actually the real fighters, like people that are leading, they are the ones suffering. Why those who are telling them we are solidly behind you are growing fatter? If you know, you know. Thank you, my people, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.